Shah is in serious trouble with the law. And this fact may finally be sinking in for the Real Housewives of Salt Lake City star. The seemingly awful human being was arrested and charged in March with 1 count of conspiracy to commit wire fraud in connection with telemarketing and 1 count of conspiracy to commit money laundering. Along with other defendants, Shah has been accused of victimizing 10 or more persons over the age of 55, lying to them about potential business opportunities and then selling their personal information to the highest bidder. We're talking really even stuff here. Shah pleaded not guilty in April and is currently out on bond. She's currently out on bond and filming season 2 of the aforementioned reality show. Because of course she is, right? Earlier this month, Shah filed a number of pretrial motions, including requests to have her charges outright dismissed and to suppress her post-arrest statements entirely, along with evidences and warrants. We can now confirm that all motions these have been denied. On August 5, U.S. District Judge Sidney H. Steen referred to an extensive, long-running telemarketing fraud conspiracy that sold millions of dollars of essentially non-existent services and products to elderly, unsophisticated consumers. The judge said Shah's motion to dismiss the indictment was non-applicable because she joined the conspiracy willfully and with the specific intent to defraud. This motion by Shah does not withstand even cursory scrutiny, added Stein. Translation: Shah is full of it. And, barring a plea bargain, she will absolutely stand trial for her alleged crimes. Shah had previously claimed she did not properly understand her Miranda rights because she was suffering from blurry vision due to dry contact lenses. Therefore, she was unable to read the waiver in front of her when she signed it. She also claimed law enforcement misled her to get incriminating statements and emphasized she was confused and emotionally off balance at that moment. Incredibly, the court did not buy any of these very pathetic excuses. Responding to Shah's request to dismiss her post-arrest statements, the judge wrote that the court finds that Shah's Miranda waiver was decidedly voluntary. Moreover, her difficulty reading due to the claimed dryness of her contact lenses do not affect her ability to understand her rights at the time of her arrest. It's also worth noting at this time that Shah has changed legal representation, which is never a great sign for a defendant. Both Shah and her assistant, Stuart Smith, have been charged with 1 count of conspiracy to commit wire fraud in connection with telemarketing and 1 count of conspiracy to commit money laundering. Smith also pleaded not guilty in April. The duo has been accused of having defrauded hundreds of victims with purported business services. Just how deep are the hot waters in which Shah finds herself? The FBI has alleged that she was among those who lead the telemarketing scheme. She was not some bid player here, folks. The government has said in a sentencing memorandum that she is at the top of the food chain and was someone that got like 78 months, says attorney Ronald Richards. So Shah, if she is not careful, she could be looking at 90 to 120 months, in this case, a crippling sentence.